I'm Chanakya, a cloud support engineer here at the AWS office in Dublin. Today, I'm going to show you how you can use AWS CloudFormation to create an Amazon Simple Storage Service notification configuration for AWS Lambda on an existing Amazon S3 bucket. So let's get started. To create an Amazon S3 notification configuration, you can use CloudFormation to create a new S3 bucket. Then add a notification configuration to that bucket using the notification configuration property. Let's look at the following steps where we will use CloudFormation to add a notification configuration to your existing S3 bucket using Lambda-backed custom resource. This custom resource triggers a Lambda function which triggers the put bucket notification API to add a notification configuration to your S3 bucket. First, let's create a CloudFormation template named Lambda S3.template that includes the following code, which you can find in the Knowledge Center article. After logging into the AWS Management Console, navigate to the CloudFormation console. Then choose Create Stack and select the With New Resources option. Choose Upload a Template File radio button. Then choose Choose File and select Lambda S3.template file. For stack name, enter a name of stack. For this demo, I'll use S3 sample template as a stack name. For notification bucket, enter the name of the S3 bucket that's used for Lambda event notification. Please note, if your S3 bucket already has an existing or manually created notification configuration, the following steps override those configurations. All notifications are removed after you delete your stack. If your solution appears to work, there could be suboptimal configurations related to your use case. It's a best practice to test your solution on a test S3 bucket before deploying to a production environment. Choose Next. On Configuration Stack Options page, keep everything as default and then choose Next. On the Review page, check the option I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources. Choose Create Stack. Now navigate to the Amazon S3 console and choose the S3 bucket specified earlier while launching the CloudFormation stack. Choose the Properties tab and then verify that event notification is configured for Lambda function as destination. You can now modify the Lambda function created by this CloudFormation template to perform certain tasks for all object create events. So now you know how to use CloudFormation to create an Amazon S3 notification configuration for Lambda on an existing S3 bucket. Thanks for watching and happy cloud computing from all of us here at AWS.